because we got 2 people over there right now. Well, I'm going over the next lesson, so you might want to hold off on that. Hopefully this can go quickly. All right, boys and girls, today we're going to go over approximation. What does the word approximation mean? All right, not total, quick guess. Those are when you would use approximation. But when we're talking about approximating, what does that mean? Yes? That is the exact opposite of what it means. So what would that mean then for approximation?
The answer, but not the exact answer.
All right, as close to the exact answer as you can get.
Like an estimate?
So an estimate. So when we're talking about approximation, we're talking about estimating. So very good. Estimation. We don't want an exact answer, we want
Close to the answer.
close to the answer. You gonna have a seat or what? All right. Now here's an example. Let's say I need, and we'll just basically use an answer, the problem from the book. Let's say that I need, I don't know. I need 16 people to help me move something. And as an incentive, I have this extra amount of money that I could give away to each of you guys. It's about $2,695. Let's say I have $2,695. I need someone to help me move. I'll say I need 16 of you guys to help me move so I can get this done quickly. About how much money would you get? How would you estimate that? Yes.
So you would see if 2,695 is closer to 3,000 or to 2,000.
All right, so you're looking at this, you're saying, is this closer to 2,000 or is it closer to 3,000? And what would you say it's closer to?
3,000.
It's closer to 3,000. So we're saying we have about $3,000. And then what will you do?
You would divide it.
Well, you could divide it, 3,000 divided by 16. Or you could do this. This 16, I know 16 doesn't go into 30 exactly. So I could say maybe I'll estimate that to be about 15 people. Because I know 3,000 divided by 15. How many times does 15 go into 30? 2. So each person would get about $200. So what I did there, I estimated. Here, this number I estimated up. This one I estimated down. Do I want an exact answer?
No.
No, I just want an approximation. Now, if you did 16 times 200, what's 16 times 200? What's 16 times 2? 32. So that's like an extra $600. So maybe my approximating was a little bit off there. Because you went up here, if you look at this is about $700. You estimated up an extra $300. And that's quite a bit of money for a few people. So that's one way to approximate. So it's about 200, probably less. So you could say, you know what? Each person will get a little less than $200. Now, what if I wanted to try that again? And we have $2,695. Are there any other ways you can estimate that? Yes. You could try 2,600 or 2,700. Now, it looks like it's closer to 2,700. Now, the tricky part is the O is the second number here. Can 16 go evenly into 2,600? I don't know if it can, because I don't know my multiplication tables for 16 or 17. But I do know 15. I'm going to stick with 15 people. And maybe I'm going to round down with this, and I think I'll round down with this too, and maybe make it to, I can't think of anything else. What can you think of? Nothing? No? So we're making it too complicated. So if it takes too long to try to estimate, And this is a little rule right here. If it takes too long to estimate, you're thinking too hard. Right now, I'm just trying to think too hard. I think my best estimate is right over here. $200, just say you'll each get a little less than $200. That's it. $2,695. I'm dividing it among 16 people because now I have to actually give you the money. Now, how many 16s go into 26? Very good. 1. How many 16s go into 109? Well, I don't know. So if you want to try it out, go ahead and try it out. I'm going to just try in the middle. 16 times 5, that's 80. That's too small. So I'm going to try 16 times 8. What's 6 times 8? 48?
Yeah.
8 is too big. I'm going to try 16 times 6. So 96. I think that works out. 96. Yeah. So we'll do 6. So that becomes a 96. That's 13. Drop the 5 down. So 168. So I did say it was going to be less than $200, right? And we got ourselves less than $200, but I still have pennies here. Some people want those extra pennies, so we'll have to work with those extra pennies. Maybe they're trying to get out of debt, so you just got to help them out there. 15 minus 8 is 7. That's 7. Now I'm just going to keep going down. Like I said, we got to go down to the pennies. So 5 is too big, isn't it?
Yes.
So we'll have to do 4. We did that, didn't we do? What's 16 times 4? No, we didn't.
84.
Is it 84?
I thought you said
No,
you
because
can't
60
divide it.
times.
It's 64. 64.
64, very good. Drop a 0. Now I should be done here. How many times does 16 go into 60? It's got to be 3 times, yes?
Yeah.
So that's 30 and 18, so that's 48. 10 minus 8 is 2. 5 minus... Wait a second, I don't have a remainder of 0. I have to keep going. But what's my problem if I keep going? I'm going to be going on forever and ever and ever. Now, when it deals with money, we don't want to go on forever because why don't we go on forever when it deals with money? So how low can we go? All the way to the cents. I can only go up to the penny. And that would be over here. So now here's the question though. Do I give him 43 cents? $168.43? Or do I give him $168.44?
44.
Which one do I choose and why? Because again, the person's going to want that exact penny because maybe they're trying to get out of debt and they're trying to pinch as many pennies as they can. So I don't want to rip them off. We want to round to this number right here, that 3, yes? So what you do is look at the number after that and just ask yourself, think of that as a 37. Is that closer to 30 or is it that closer to 40?
40.
It's closer to 40, isn't it? And we'll write down what it's closer to. Now the 0 you don't need to worry about. So your final answer to round it up to would be 168.44. So just ask yourself, if you have to stop here, you got to go to the next one. Because like in this problem, if you would have just stopped at the 3, you would have shortchanged somebody a penny. And that person might not have liked that. They want those pennies. So if you got to stop somewhere, always go to the next place. And then look at those 2 place values and ask yourself, is this closer to, like here would be closer to 30 or would it be closer to 40? Whatever it's closest to, that is what you round off to. Don't be like this person and make sure you pay attention to my video. If you like the video, try this one or my most recent video, which is over here. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon for the next notification. Have a great day.